To be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good afternoon. Today I am expressing my views on our behavior. We must be very good at behavior. Behavior is the part of our life. At each and every step in our life, there is a value of behavior. Actually, our behavior must be based on good manners, and there are certain qualities of good manners, and these good manners show very good impression on the listeners. Here I would like to take one by one the points which build up our nature and our personality. Our personality is dominated by these qualities. First of all, the person must be respectful, must pay regard to others, must expect regard from others, pay regard to others and must expect regard from others on the basis of actually our qualities. We must be affectionate, must love others, and definitely it is give and take. If we love others, respect others, regard others, they'll also love, respect, and regard us. We must be responsible at each and every step in our life. Responsibility is the symbol of success. If we are responsible person, definitely we may win our target, we may win very good success in life. And for all these, there must be curiosity in our personality. We must be curious, and a quality which one is very important for very good success in life, that is innovation. It means we must also be innovative. We must be curious, we must be innovative. And by nature, at each and every step, at our home, at our workplace, at any public place, wheresoever we are, we must be caring, must care others, must care our qualities, must care our articles and things, and must care our duties. And we must be by nature smiling, caring, and we must also share sorrows, sufferings, and joyfulness. These are to be shared by us. And one quality which one is very important and very good quality, that is kind-heartedness. It means we must be kind-hearted by nature, and our heart must be filled up with the milk of human kindness, and there must also be feeling of pity, sympathy. We must show pity and sympathy for others, and we must also be with patience. Patience is the quality. If there is patience in us, then we may get really very good success in life. And along with the patience, and our nature must be nature loving. Our nature must be nature loving. We must move towards plant and trees, and must return towards the nature which one is next to God. There must be the feeling of patriotism in our nature, and by nature there must be the feeling of social service, and such type of nature which one is of social service is made by those persons who believe in God. It means we must be God fearing by nature, and we must take very much interest in social works, and we must also be trustworthy, must be trusting others, and others must also trust us. If our qualities are really very smart, very good, definitely others will respect us, regard us, and will trust in us. We must be in life regular, punctual, and must be actually honest by nature. There must be honesty at our work, must be honesty at our behavior, at our speaking, means in all the works, at each and every step in life, there must be honesty. It means honesty must be dissolved in our blood, in our character, in our personality, and our whole strength, our dedication, devotion must be for getting very, very good success in life. And for getting very good success in life, we have to make our nature very humble, polite. We must be gentle by thoughts, by nature, and there must be the feeling of self-discipline. If there is self-discipline, we can't be barbarian, we can't be actually such type of person who may cause loss, damage to others. And if we are hard working may make us really very much successful in life. For these all qualities, we all have to know that are qualities which have been actually spoken by me previously, and among them we must also add, we must add sweet temperament. There must be actually sweet nature, sweet temperament, and with dancing smile on lips, and overall we must be large hearted, and such type of nature who is really having common feeling for others, good feelings for others, definitely may get very good success at each and every step. And we must understand others, we must understand the feelings of others. Overall, the target which one is really to be achieved, which one is our goal, is to be achieved by hook or by crook. Anyhow, if we have very good qualities, there will not be any problem in securing our goal. So, my dear students, and I would like to tell you that you, all the students, must inculcate these qualities in your character and personality. We fit and active, we hardworking, and must also pay respect, regard to your parents, to your teachers, and to your elders, and in society must be adjusting by nature. In making this video, Mr. Naveen Vasist, who is Senior PGT in Commerce, has cooperated a lot. I say thanks to him, and I say thank you very much to you all. Thank you.